Oh yeah. AP Chemistry on the beat, my bros. We got Ashley Trejo in the house. Maya Nichols. Some Hannah Eris up in here. Jane. Little bit of Everett. Stella here too. We all rad chemists, you know. We all equal. We all equal. It's getting real up in here. Get ready. Hello everybody, we're here to say we're gonna teach you about some elements today. All on a table, nice and neat. Dmitri Mendeleev, he's hard to beat. But it's not that simple, and I'll tell you why. To make it this perfect, you have to try. Columns and rows, they have special names. Don't look at me like that, I ain't playing games. A column's called a family, it goes up and down. A row is a period, make sure you stick around. Down every family, there is a trend. They all share properties, they're real good friends. Families and groups are one and the same. Hold up, now we're gonna tell you their names.
Alkaline metals in Group 1A. They're soft and shiny and they're here to stay. They've got one valence and they melt nice and easy. Add H2O and they react easy breezy. Group 2A, metals from the earth, make basic oxides and are salty at birth. They have two valence, unlike 3A. About that group, there ain't much to say. Group 4A has carbon, the basis for life. It also makes diamond, which you give to your wife. 5A, 6A, 7A, 2, nitrogen, oxygen, halogens for you. Halogens react aggressively, mostly diatomic. Matter got all three. Group 8A is a special one. Noble gases, they're hella fun. Their shells are full, they don't react, but once you do, you can't go back.
Transition metals are in Group B. What do? Don't ask me. Just kidding, they conduct electricity. Now let's say some more about these special trends. The periodic table is your friend. Elements have electrons in some bonds. How much full? Until they're gone. Ionization energy forms a positive ion. Let's remove an electron and let me start clarifying. Energy increases across a row, decreases down a column. Don't you know? As negativity is the pull for electrons already nice and full. A scale of O to 4 is used. Alkali to halogens are what we view. Like ionization energy, they share the same trend. From left to right increases to the end. Atomic radius tells you the size, decreases across a row, to your surprise. It's opposite the others, increases down a group. Now on to ENC, an electron soup.
How much charge does an electron feel? The nucleus will tell you the deal. We abbreviate with Z and set it equal to P. Subtract the shielding E's and you've got ENC. A higher charge equals a smaller atom. The nucleus is strong so you can't get atom. Now let's talk a little about configurations. Different orbitals call for celebrations. You've got S and P and D and F. Stir them together, you're an electron chef. S comes first in the special game, but these orbitals aren't all the same. S has 2 electrons in its field, then on to P and its outer shield. P can have 6 electrons each. Now on to D, cause I'm here to preach. 10 electrons in each shell, make sure you organize them well. Last there's F, not always used. 14 electrons, don't get confused.
Now sometimes these things get really long. Here's a shortcut in the song. Noble gases, you can use them well. Look at the row before them, and it will tell which element you're supposed to use. For this configuration, you gotta let loose. Put it in brackets, call it a day. Then write the config, don't delay. Now we've taught you some things about the periodic table, like E-configs in which gases are stable. Dmitri Mendeleev made a beautiful thing, and now you know because you've heard us sing. I hope you remember what we taught you today, because the periodic table, it's here to stay.
Chemists out!
Okay, so like...
Yeah. Yes, whenever you're ready.
I do. Like that?
Other arm out.
I do.
Wait, no, like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
On both sides?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
So I can do it both sides?
Mm-hmm. Good.
girlfriend. I'm the reason that you want to lose your man, girlfriend.